What is the formula for a cone surface area? Imagine wrapping a cone with a sheet of paper. How much paper would you need to cover the entire surface? That's what surface area is all about. When we talk about a cone, there are two parts to consider: the curved sloping side and the flat circular base. To find out how much material covers the cone, we need to add these two areas together. First, think about the curved surface. If you know the radius of the base, which is the distance from the center to the edge, and the slant height, which is the length from the tip of the cone down the side to the edge of the base, you can find the area of this sloped part. The formula for the curved surface area is the product of pi, the radius, and the slant height. Pi is approximately 3.1416, and it helps us work with circles and curved shapes. So the curved surface area equals pi times the radius times the slant height. Next, the base of the cone is a simple circle. To find its area, you multiply pi by the radius squared. This gives you the total area of the flat circle at the bottom of the cone. Now, to find the total surface area, you just add the curved surface area and the base area. The formula becomes pi times the radius times the slant height plus pi times the radius squared. To make it easier, you can factor out pi, so it looks like pi times the radius times the sum of the slant height and the radius. If you don't know the slant height but you know the height of the cone from the tip to the base, you can find the slant height using the Pythagorean theorem. This theorem says that the slant height is the square root of the sum of the height squared and the radius squared. Once you have the slant height, you can plug it into the formula to get the total surface area. So the complete formula for the surface area of a cone is pi times the radius times the sum of the slant height and the radius. And if you need to find the slant height, just take the square root of the height squared plus the radius squared. This way, you can figure out exactly how much material you need to cover the entire cone, whether you're wrapping it, painting it, or designing a model. Remember, the key parts are the curved surface area, which depends on the slant height, and the base area, which is a circle. Adding these together gives you the total surface area. This formula connects the concepts of circles, triangles, and three-dimensional shapes, making it easier to understand and calculate the surface area of any cone you come across.